Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you're passionate about programming and on the hunt for the perfect keyboard to elevate your coding experience, you're in the right place. This is your channel name, where we deliver daily doses of quality content to help you make informed decisions about various products. Today, we're diving into the world of programming keyboards, exploring the best options to boost your coding efficiency. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this tech journey together. Number 1. Asus Scope 96 Strix 2. The Asus ROG Scope Strix 296 is one of the single best wireless mechanical keyboards you can buy today without building one yourself. Asus pulled out all the stops with its design, creating a keyboard that is both soft yet crisp under the fingers, allowing you to type for hours without fatigue. The switches feel great and are exceptionally smooth and deep sounding, and the keycaps are made of durable double-shot PBT plastic, so they'll last for years into the future. It's a keyboard that's so satisfying to type on, you'll find extra enjoyment in your hours of dev time. The Scope Strix 296 uses a compact, full-size layout. It includes a full-function row, arrow keys, and number pad, but pushes all of those keys together so it's only a single row wider than a standard TKL, ensuring every key is close at hand. Using the Armoury Crate software, nearly every key can be remapped, assigned macros, or used for advanced features like Windows shortcuts or program launches. The software is admittedly a little clunky, but it's completely usable. If there's a feature you'd hope for in a keyboard, there's a good chance it has it. Number 2. Newfie Air 75. A great wireless keyboard should be versatile, reliable, and something with great battery life. The Newfie Air 75 is all that and more. This low-profile keyboard is designed to completely replace the keyboard on your laptop or MacBook thanks to its innovative air feet, thin silicone feet that rest between its built-in keys, allowing you to use it directly on top with ease. It's just as portable, too, thanks to its slim, bag-friendly design. With 48 hours of battery life, and even more on the new V2 version, it can last for a full workweek with battery to spare for evening gaming. Its build quality is much closer to a custom keyboard, featuring an aluminum top case and polycarbonate bottom with a sleek mirrored badge. The switches are pre-lubed for extra smoothness yet also come in your choice of linear, tactile, or clicky versions. They're also hot swappable, so if you ever want to try something new, you won't be stuck buying a whole new keyboard. Atop those switches are thick keycaps made of durable PBT plastic, a rare luxury in a low-profile keyboard, that are made to last years without ever showing wear or tear and lending your keystrokes a deeper sound profile. Number 3. Corsair K100 Air Wireless. The Corsair K100 Air Wireless is in a class of its own in the world of low-profile mechanical keyboards. At only 11mm at its thinnest point, it's the perfect choice for programmers used to typing on laptops or Apple Magic keyboards. But since it uses Cherry's MX Ultra low-profile tactile switches, it offers a much crisper typing experience that makes long hours at the keyboard feel like less of a chore and exceptionally comfortable. Its slim design also allows it to be much quieter than the vast majority of full-height mechanical keyboards. The K100 Air relies on Corsair iQ to make the most of its features, but it's definitely a software package you'll want to download. With it, you have access to a full suite of customization tools, including macros, multiple layers of key bindings, instant text strings, program launches and shortcuts, and support for up to 50 onboard profiles, enough for even the most dedicated coder's array of software tools. Number 4. Razer Black Widow V4 75%. If space is a concern, the Razer Black Widow V4 75% is the right keyboard for you. It's smaller than a 10-keyless keyboard but features most of the same keys. Just as importantly, it allows you remap any key on its layout, assign secondary commands, and with the press of a button, swap to a whole second layout with its hypershift system. Think of how the shift key turns the number row into punctuation and apply that to the entire keyboard, including macros, program launches, Windows shortcuts, and even mouse controls. Hypershift, indeed. The Black Widow V4 75% brings with it a number of improvements compared to Razer's other keyboards. Like a number of other keyboards in our lineup, it uses a gasket mount structure with layers of sound dampening for pleasant acoustics and cushioned keystrokes. Razer has gone the extra mile to make this keyboard sound pleasant to your ears, applying a suite of modifications from the custom keyboard community, so you'll enjoy hearing this keyboard as much as typing on it. Number 5. Keychron C3 Pro. Welcome to the best value in mechanical keyboards. The Keychron C3 Pro takes many of the features of the Q6 Pro and puts them into a budget-friendly package. For less than $40, this keyboard offers a surprisingly great typing experience that puts most other keyboards in this price range to shame. It's also highly programmable to meet the demands of your workflow. The C3 Pro uses a similar gasket-based mounting structure to other keyboards on this list. It's not as soft as the Q6 Pro, but the keys have enough cushion to be comfortable, even over extended coding sessions. Keychron has even put effort into making the keyboard sound good with layers of sound foam integrated throughout its construction. It also uses VIA for its programming, including key remaps, limited shortcuts, and simple macros, and each of those changes is stored on the keyboard itself to use between computers.